Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video I'm going to help you learn how to change the country on your Play Store. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Sometimes you might want to download an Android app from the Google Play Store, but due to the unavailability of that app in a specific country and its app store you can't download it. Well, in that case you can easily go and change your country in the Google Play Store and download the desired app on your Android phone, and you'll also need to change your Google Play Store country if you move from one country to another. In order to do so, first thing to do is tap open your Google Play Store application, and then as soon as you're in from your For You page, tap on your profile at the upper right corner. Now from this menu tap on Settings and then go to General at the top and give it a tab. Tap on Account Preferences, and inside Account Preferences under Country and Profile, you'll be able to see a switch to a particular country Play Store. In my case, it says a switch to Canada Play Store. So let me go ahead and tap it in. Here you'll see a list of countries that you can select and are currently located in. All you need to do is put on all the details and update your payment method and address to manage your payment. Tap on either Add Credit or Debit Card or Add PayPal. After you do that, tap on the Continue button. After reading the information, enter your card number and tap on Save. After you do that, open your Play Store and then navigate to any item that is available for download. Now simply go to Settings and then under Settings tap Apps. Now tap on Google Play Store from the list of the apps installed on your device. Now tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right, and now reopen the Play Store app and you'll be able to see the Google Play Store of your default payment billing country. That's how you can change your country on the Play Store. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.